The power of ChatGPT for personal development and self-improvement. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of ChatGPT and discovering how this AI language model can help you set and achieve your goals like never before. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Ready to transform your goal-setting game? Let's dive in. Introduction to ChatGPT and goal setting. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? In a nutshell, it's an AI-driven language model that generates human-like text based on the input it receives. And guess what? It can be a powerful ally when it comes to setting and achieving your personal and professional goals. Let's explore how ChatGPT can be your go-to tool for goal-setting success. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, which means it can interpret your goals and provide customized support based on your unique needs. With its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, ChatGPT can offer insights, guidance, and resources that are tailored to your specific goals. In fact, ChatGPT is much more than a digital assistant or productivity app. While those tools can certainly help you stay organized and focused, ChatGPT can help you tap into your deeper motivations and aspirations, as well as provide you with a range of options and strategies for achieving your goals. By working with ChatGPT, you're not just getting a simple to-do list or a reminder app, but you're gaining access to a sophisticated and intelligent tool that can help you unlock your full potential. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, improve your relationships, learn new skills, or pursue a new career path, ChatGPT can help you identify your goals, create an action plan, and stay on track. So, if you're ready to take your goal-setting game to the next level, let's dive in and explore the power of ChatGPT. And remember, setting and achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. With the help of ChatGPT, you can enjoy the process and make steady progress toward your dreams. Types of goals ChatGPT can help you set. From career growth to personal development, ChatGPT can help you set a wide range of goals. Here are just a few examples. Career advancement. Whether you're aiming for a promotion or looking to switch industries, ChatGPT can help you create a detailed action plan, identify the skills you need to develop, and even suggest networking strategies. Education and learning. Want to go back to school or further your education? ChatGPT can help you set goals for pursuing a degree or certification, as well as provide advice on choosing the right program, preparing for exams, and accessing financial aid. Fitness and wellness. Want to lose weight, run a marathon, or start a meditation practice? ChatGPT can help you set realistic, achievable fitness and wellness goals, as well as provide workout plans, meal suggestions, and stress management tips. Learning skills. From learning a new language to mastering a musical instrument, ChatGPT can help you set goals for acquiring new skills or hobbies, along with resources, strategies, and tips for effective learning. Relationship building. ChatGPT can assist you in setting goals related to strengthening your personal and professional relationships, offering communication tips, conversation starters, and advice on conflict resolution. This can be particularly useful for individuals who struggle with social anxiety or difficulty forming close relationships. Time management and productivity. Looking to be more efficient with your time? ChatGPT can help you set goals for better time management and productivity, such as implementing new habits, prioritizing tasks, and finding the right work-life balance. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who struggle with procrastination or feel overwhelmed by their to-do list. Personal exploration. ChatGPT can help you set goals related to self-discovery and exploration, such as traveling to new places, trying new experiences, and reflecting on your personal values and beliefs. This can be particularly valuable for individuals who feel stuck in a rut or lack a sense of purpose or direction in their lives. At the end of the day, the possibilities for setting and achieving goals with ChatGPT are endless. Whatever your aspirations may be, ChatGPT can help you clarify your vision, develop an action plan, and stay motivated throughout your journey. How ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. Now that we've explored the types of goals ChatGPT can help you set, Let's discuss how this powerful AI tool can support you in achieving those goals. One of the ways ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals is by providing you with personalized and actionable advice. Once you set your goal, ChatGPT can generate a list of specific steps you can take to get there. This could include breaking down a large goal into smaller, more manageable tasks or suggesting specific resources to help you learn a new skill. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you stay motivated and accountable. By setting up reminders and progress tracking, you can stay on top of your goals and ensure that you're making steady progress. This can be especially helpful when pursuing long-term goals, where it can be easy to get discouraged or lose momentum. Another way ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals is by encouraging you to think outside the box. Sometimes, the best way to reach your goal is by taking an unconventional approach. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm new ideas and strategies that you may not have considered on your own. ChatGPT can also connect you with like-minded individuals who share similar goals. By joining online communities or forums, you can find support, encouragement, and valuable insights from others who are also working towards similar goals. Finally, ChatGPT can adapt to your changing needs and circumstances. As you progress towards your goal, ChatGPT can help you adjust your action plan or suggest new strategies based on your evolving situation. This can be especially useful for goals that require a high degree of flexibility or adaptability. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. We'll see you in the next video.